Welcome to Moorish Cuisine. As we all know, I recently lost my brother. It's still hard to believe that he is no more in this world. He was not only a brother, I lost my very good friend. I lost a person whom I shared my childhood. I lost a person who was my secret sharer. But as they all say, life moves on. Today I thought to make something which he loved the most, and today I'm sharing recipe of chicken nihari. So to start my recipe, first I need to make this nihari masala, and for this masala I'll be using some fennel seeds, soft. Then I have some cumin seeds, zira. I'll be using garam masala and red chili powder. Then I have badiyan kapul, any star seed. Then I'll be using some dry ginger root, suki adrak, or it's also called sont. I'll be using a little piece, not that bigger. I just put this bigger one to show you guys. And I'll leave all the ingredients down below. Then transfer all those ingredients into your blender jug or whatever you're using to grind these spices, and then grind them until you have a fine powder. You can see little teeny bit chunks in there, but I think that's perfectly alright. Then take a clean sterilized mason jar or any airtight container where you can keep your masala in, and you can use it again and again. I transferred masala into that jar, close the lid tightly, and then I labeled my jar so I know what masala is in there. I use chalk label and chalk marker. Again, it's up to you what kind of label or marker you're gonna use. Now hop on to the ingredients which you're gonna use to make the nihari, and I'll be using some chicken. It's a whole chicken. I asked them to cut into 12 pieces. Again, it's up to you how bigger pieces you want. I'll be using some salt, red chili powder. It's up to you. If you think masala is a little more spicy, you can skip it. And then of course the nihari masala, which I just showed you how to make it. Then I have some ginger and garlic paste, and I'll be using all-purpose flour. You can use wheat flour as well, just to thicken the gravy. Then first step is to heat oil in a pan, then add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and salt. I cannot show you that footage because we had a little accident there. I'll show you in the end what happened to us. Cook for a minute or two, then add your chicken and then your nihari masala. Then mix and mix until chicken is covered with all the masala, and then chicken started to change its color as well. Then add enough water to cover the chicken, or you can add more or less. It's again up to you how much gravy you want in your nihari. And then again mix one more time, and then cover this pot and let it cook until chicken is completely tender. So when your chicken is done, then make a paste with all-purpose flour and water, and then you have to add that paste to thicken up your gravy. Just stir continuously with your spoon and slowly add that paste. I always prefer to use strainer because as you can see there are lumps on still lumps on the strainer, and I don't want my gravy to get lumpy. Then keep stirring until your flour mixture is completely dissolved, and bring it to another boil and let it simmer and sit for around 5-10 minutes, and then your nihari is completely done. Then just dish it out, top it with chopped cilantro, some sliced lemons, green chilies. As a side condiments, I served all of it. Chopped cilantro, lemon, green chilies, some sliced ginger, and whatever you like to have with your nihari. As I already mentioned, I share this recipe in the memory of my brother. Please remember him and my whole family in your prayers. We need it a lot at this tough time. And if you try this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. I know you don't need any boxed masala from now onwards. This is amazing and worth trying recipe. My family totally loved this. They didn't even get to know that there is change something in today's dish. And I'll see you next time. Once again, thank you so much for watching.